Hey, so here's Clara. You can see afterwards. You have to tell me what have you been doing at the park this morning, Clara? What did you do at the park?
Playing.
Playing? Did you ride your scooter? No.
Running.
Running? Oh, how do you run? Are you fast? You're a fast runner? Who's the fastest, Clara or Ruby? Who's the fastest, Clara or Ruby? Oh, Ruby's a bit bigger, isn't she? What would you like with your sandwich?
Vegemite.
Vegemite? And what would you like to drink? Sit still. Oh look, here comes Ruby.
Ice cube.
Wow, they look good. What are they, Ruby?
Can you open it?
Pardon?
Can you open it, please?
That's better. Yeah, okay. Alright, yeah, I'll open yours as well.